Most people get this wrong. They assume VeloPay is just another payday or buy now pay later app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and simple budgeting tools all on one platform. When used responsibly, it can help you manage short-term expenses without falling into high-interest debt. Here's how VeloPay works. The app lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller payments over a few weeks. Instead of traditional interest, VeloPay charges a flat, predictable fee per transaction or advance. On top of that, it provides optional dashboards to track spending, set repayment reminders, and plan your cash flow more effectively. The downside, overuse can get costly. Taking frequent advances or missing repayments may quickly add up, and relying too heavily on the app can mask underlying budgeting problems. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders or calendar alerts to avoid fees. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on advances. Who should use VeloPay? If you have a stable income and occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases, VeloPay can be a convenient tool. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, it may end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, VeloPay in 2026 is a flexible financial tool, but only when used responsibly. Track your fees, stick to repayment schedules, and treat it as a temporary aid rather than a long-term solution. Subscribe for more financial reviews and practical tips to manage your money smarter.